Today we're checking out the Epomaker RT82 mechanical keyboard. In this review, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, including the unboxing experience, design, build quality, unique display features, typing sound, and an overall showcase to help you decide if it's the right keyboard for your setup. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Right here is the box of the Epomaker RT82. The packaging is clean and simple, and once we open it up, we're greeted with everything neatly organized inside. The first thing you'll find is the user manual, which covers the basic setup and key functions. There's also Epomaker's brand card with a QR code that takes you directly to the software download page and customer support, making it quick and easy to get everything set up. Now for the accessories. Inside the box, you get a USB cable for wired connectivity and charging, a keycap and switch puller for easy customization, a few extra mechanical switches, and additional Mac keycaps for anyone using macOS. But the accessory that immediately stands out is this magnetically detachable mini display. It looks like a tiny retro television, and honestly, it's one of the coolest design elements on this keyboard. Now let's take a look at the keyboard itself. The Epomaker RT82 features a retro-inspired design with a compact 75% layout, giving you dedicated arrow keys and essential function keys while keeping your desk setup clean and space efficient. It supports wireless and wired connectivity, and the 2.4 GHz USB dongle is conveniently stored with the keyboard, so you don't have to worry about misplacing it. Turning the keyboard around, the rear design continues the retro theme with a clean finish and adjustable two-stage kickstands. Whether you prefer a flatter typing angle or a more elevated position, you have both options available for a comfortable typing experience. Now let's attach the mini display. It connects using pogo pins, so it simply snaps into place magnetically without any cables or complicated setup. Once attached, it instantly transforms the look of the keyboard. That little retro TV gives the entire setup a unique personality that's hard to find on most mechanical keyboards. Now let's remove a few keycaps and take a closer look. The RT82 comes with durable PBT keycaps that feature a cherry profile and dye-sublimated legends for long-lasting durability. Our unit comes equipped with creamy jade switches. As you can see on the screen, here are the key details of the switches. In actual use, they feel responsive, smooth, and satisfying to type on. Every key press has crisp, tactile feedback that makes typing enjoyable, whether you're writing documents, chatting, or gaming. Now let's hear how it sounds. The sound profile is pleasantly crisp with a satisfying mechanical character. It feels comfortable during longer typing sessions and offers a consistent experience across the keyboard. Now let's move on to one of the RT82's most interesting features, the built-in mini display. To enter typing display mode, simply press FN and enter together. Once activated, every key you press appears on the mini screen along with fun animated GIF effects. It's a small feature, but it adds a surprising amount of personality and makes the keyboard feel much more interactive. If you're wondering how to customize the display, it's actually very straightforward. Press FN and enter to toggle the screen display. Press FN and right shift to switch the screen animations, and use FN plus X to turn the display on or off whenever you want. If you ever need to reset everything, simply press FN and C. For full customization, download the Epomaker RT82 image tool from the official website. Connect the keyboard using the USB cable, launch the software, and select Connect Device. After that, you can automatically sync the device's clock, upload custom GIFs to each available screen slot, and personalize the display however you'd like. The software also lets you adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, hue, and image scaling. You can add custom text, change colors, create simple drawings, and make the display completely your own. Once you're happy with your design, simply click Apply Edit, and your custom artwork will immediately appear on the mini display. Now let's take a closer look at the keyboard from every angle. Here's a full showcase so you can see the overall design, keycap profile, retro styling, and how the mini display looks when it's part of a complete desk setup. These shots should give you a much better idea of how the RT82 will look in everyday use. So that's our review of the Epomaker RT82. I hope this review helped you get a better idea of what the Epomaker RT82 has to offer. If you have any questions or thoughts, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.